Hello all, I am here in the Oslo and welcome to the Oslo Opera House. It is one of the Norway's most iconic landmark. So sitting right on the Oslo Fjord, this stunning building opened in 2008 and it was designed by Norwegian architect Snøhetta. So it is very special because like the sloping white marble roof which allowed visitors to walk all the way up and enjoy panoramic view. You can see the city and the fjord here. Inside the Opera House, it is just an impressive with warm oak interior, world-class acoustic and advanced stage technology. It is home to Norwegian National Opera Ballet, but it is also a cultural hub for concert, exhibition and event. So you can enjoy here the view and also you can take a ride in the Oslo Fjord. The Oslo Opera House is not just for the art lover, it is the place where architecture, culture and nature came together beautifully. A must visit site when you are in Oslo. So it is one of the most visited site in the Norway, and in the Oslo it is the central place where you can enjoy the view, and also many tourists are coming here to experience the same. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.